Hello everyone! Today we're not gonna do a shaving video, but we're gonna do another unboxing. As I mentioned in some of my previous videos, we do sometimes unboxing live on Instagram, so feel free, if that's something that you're interested, check my Instagram profile, give a follow so you can get notification. And lately there I was doing a lot of soap unboxing videos, but today we're gonna open a box with two new razors that I ordered from Italian barber. Okay, the box is nicely packed and secured with all those styrofoam beans here. Here is the first box coming out. And for the second razor, because I wanted a specific handle, I ordered the head separately and the handle separately. Let's go with the first one. So as you can see, we have the SLOC head. So this is the self-lubricating open comb. And I believe that it's inspired by an old razor. I don't remember the name, but I just saw a few discussions about this one. I'm also preparing the handle. As you can see. Let me show you the handle on its own. This is the barber pole handle, and it's looking really nice. That's the one that I wanted to order with the other razor, but they didn't have it. It was out of stock, so I just ordered it separately. The knurling feels really good. Okay, here we have the head of the SLOC. This is gonna be my first open comb, and I don't know if I will like it at all. It looks a little bit aggressive, but from what I heard from other discussions and people that tried this one, it's actually quite mild. So we'll see how this will go. The teeth look really cool. It's a nice combination with the handle. The Italian barber and RazoRock, they offer all their handles separately. If that's something that you want to get without buying a razor, you can do that. And this one is the RazoRock Lupo 72. 72 stands for the blade gap. It's 0.72 millimeters. And this is the razor itself. I find this razor to be super unique with the head design. As you can see, the edge where the blade is aligned gets narrower from the middle of the cap over here, and those corners almost match it completely from what I could see on other photos and videos with this razor. So there is very cool design when it comes to detailing around if you have mustache or full lock goatee or just goatee on your chin like myself. I feel that this will be really cool. And I have this one with the super narrow handle over here, as you can see. Both handles are with very nice knurling, amazing grip when you hold it. I'm sure that with soap or water on your fingers there will be no issue at all when you're holding it. Yeah. The Lupo is made in Canada. Yep. Over here at the bottom of the base plate. Try to align it well. And see if it will be focused. Yep. RazoRock Lupo 72 on the other side. And for this one, I don't see any marking on the head. Nothing is written, so I believe that that head is made somewhere else. And if I'm not wrong, this is some sort of nickel-plated alloy, so it's not stainless steel. This is fully stainless steel. Both handles are also stainless steel. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Short unboxing video. We have still a lot of soaps to try together. I'm trying to catch up. Hopefully I'll be able to go over them soon. I just don't have enough time to record every single shave that I do, but I'll do my best. And we're gonna make things a bit more different and review more razors. That's why I got these.